everybody. I am Dr. M. Sayyidali Fatima, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Sadakatullah Appa College, Tirunelveli. Welcome to our great channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Sargassam, a fascinating marine brown algae, its structure and reproduction. Let's dive in the world of seaweeds. Sargassum is a genus of brown algae, commonly known as Gulf weed. You might have heard about the Sargasso Sea, where huge floating mats of Sargassum can be seen. It belongs to the class Phaeophyceae. Its taxonomic position, its division Phaeophyta, it comes under the class Cyclospore, order Fucales, family Sargassaceae, genus Sargassum, and has many species. This picture shows the structure of Piran, and this is a structure of Sargassum lernifolium, and this is the picture shows basal portion of the plant of Sargassum nrv. The body of Sargassum is called thallus. It shows a clear differentiation into three parts: hold fast, stripe, frond. Hold fast attaches the alga to rocks. Stipe, a stalk-like structure. Frond, leaf-like flattened blades with serrated edges. Sargassum has special structures called air bladers or nematocysts which help it float on water. Internally, the thallus is made up of three layers: epidermis, cortex, medulla. Epidermis, outer protective layer with mucilage. Cortex, middle layer with the photosynthetic pigments like fucoxanthin. Medulla, it is a central conducting tissue that gives mechanical strength. This picture shows the Sargassum species Ts of thallus. Sargassum reproduces both vegetatively and sexually. In vegetative reproduction, it takes place by means of fragmentation and adventitious branches which arise from the holdfast. In sexual reproduction, it takes place by means of homogamous, it involving fusion of large non-motile eggs and small motile sperms. Reproductive organs are housed in conceptacles. The conceptacles are found on specialized branches called receptacles. The conceptacles are flask-shaped. Inside the conceptacles, two types of sex organs are present, namely Antheridia, male sex organ, produces biflagellate sperm. Oogonia, it produces eggs. It is a female sex organ. After that, both the male gametes and female gametes are fertilized externally, take place in water, seawater. The result, zygote. It develops directly into a new diploid Sargassum thallus. This picture shows how the Sargassum develop its conceptacle. And this picture shows how the Sargassum produces its antheridium, and the stages are well explained. And this picture shows the development of oogonia and the stages of the development of oogonia. And this is the fertilization process. After that, the germination of sargassum will take place. Sargassum exhibits a diplontic life cycle where the main plant body is diploid. The haploid stage is restricted only to gametes. Here, there is no free-living gametophyte edge. This picture shows a clear diagrammatic representation of its life cycle. See, in the first structure, the thallus is present and it produces the male sex organ and female sex organ, which is in conceptacle and which is arised from the receptacles. After that, the fusion of gametes and then followed by zygote and then followed by a thallus. Sargassum is not just important ecologically but also economically. Sources of alginate used in industries, used as a biofertilizer and animal fodder, and it possesses many medicinal properties like anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer activities. So I summarized my portion. Let's quickly. Sargassum is a brown marine alga with specialized floating structures, and it reproduces vegetatively by fragmentation and sexually through oogamy. The life cycle is diplontic, dominant diploid thallus. Ecologically and economically, it's very important, and that's Sargassum for you in a nutshell. Thank you, dear students. Thank you.